This activity is the alignment activity, and there's a few things I go over in this activity. I'm kind of building on your Google Doc skills. So just follow the directions and you should have no problem. Direction number 1 says to find and replace the following words. Now it starts with the word fish. You're going to find the word fish and you're going to replace it with the word dolphin. The reason I'm showing you about find and replace is there may be a time that you may need to use this little tool. It's nice to know that it's there, even if you just are on a huge Google Doc or a website and you just want to find a word, a particular word. You can always use the word find, or if you ever want to replace a word, you can use the find and replace. It can be used for either situation. So to find the find and replace, you'll go up to the upper right hand corner and you'll see up in the upper right hand corner 3 little dots. You're going to click on the 3 little dots and a menu bar opens up and you'll click on find and replace. Up at the top of the screen is a box where it says find in document. You'll type the word fish. And in the second box up at the top, you want to replace it with the word dolphin. And you will click replace all. You may have to hit it twice, the word all. But you'll notice now there's no longer the word fish. It's dolphin, dolphin up at the top here. And also down in the words, in the sentences, what used to be fish is now the word dolphin. Okay? So you'll just keep going through this. This is just for practice. The next section, heart, you want to find the word heart and replace it with the word trust. So you'll go up to the 3 little dots in the upper right hand corner, find and replace. In the first box, you'll type heart. Second box, you'll type the word trust. And you'll click all twice. Now, what I want to show you for the next one, I didn't really talk about this. Hit the 3 little dots again. Hit find and replace. And when you type the word comply and respond, when you click the word all, at first it shows you, it highlights where the word comply is in the document. And then you hit all again, and then it replaces the word. And you'll type hovers and replace it with flies. Next direction says set the line spacing up for 2 lines apart, which is also called double spaced. And what you have to do is you have to select the sentences first. These sentences that are bulleted, you'll have to select by placing your finger, hit select, select all the sentences. Okay? And in the upper right hand corner, you will see the letter A. And you'll see text is here and then paragraph. Click on the word paragraph and under line spacing, you will click the upper arrow until it gets to 2 for 2 lines apart, double line spacing. And that's how you double line space a document. Number 3, change the top, bottom, left, right margins to 1 inch. So you will click on the 3 little dots and you will find page setup, margins, and the directions say 1 inch margins. So you're going to have to change these to 1. The top, the left, and the bottom. You just simply click on the number and hit the backspace and type the word 1 and hit apply. All right, so that's how you would change a margin on a Word, on a, Google Doc, and it just basically makes the space along the edges of the paper um, what you want them to be. And in this case, it's 1 inch all around the paper. The last direction, align each sentence below according to the direction in the parentheses. The first sentence, in the parentheses, it says right alignment. Now, alignment is how you want the words aligned on the piece of paper, and in this case, we want it all the way to the right. So you're going to place your finger anywhere in this sentence. It doesn't really matter where you place your cursor in the sentence, and up in the toolbar, you will see left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. We're going to click the right alignment. The next sentence says center alignment. You will hit the center alignment up in the toolbar. Notice it's centered on the page now. The next sentence says left alignment. It already is left aligned, so you can kind of let that one alone. The next one, place your cursor anywhere in that sentence, hit center alignment. The next one is right alignment. The next one is left, and so on. You'll just keep going till you hit all the sentences. Center alignment, left alignment, and the last one is right alignment. And that's just so that you can kind of practice on how to position words on a document, whether you want them centered, whether you want them pushed all the way to the right or the left. That concludes the alignment activity.